Assalamu alaikum students. Unit 9 of our English book is verb and preposition patterns. Exercise 1 is put up, on, off, out, down or away in the blank spaces. Yesterday Jamil woke up at 7 o'clock. It was still dark. He got off and turned on the light. He put on his shirt and did up the buttons. Then he put away all his clothes, turned off the light in his bedroom, and went into the kitchen. Mrs. Riaz poured out a cup of tea for him. After breakfast, he picked up his bag and went to school. At the beginning of the lesson, his teacher said, "Take out your books, children. Stand up, Jamil. Please read out your answers to the first exercise." Then she told Jamil to sit down. At the end of the lesson, the teacher told the children to put away their books and go outside. Students, you can do this exercise in your books. Next exercise B is answer the questions, and you will do this exercise in your copies. Number 1, what time did Jamil wake up? He woke up at 7 o'clock. Number 2, why did he turn on the light? He turned on the light because it was dark. Number 3, which did he put on first, his shirt or his socks? He put on his shirt first. Number 4, what did Mrs. Riaz pour out for him? She poured out a cup of tea for him. Number 5, what did he pick up to take to school? He picked up his bag to take to school. Number 6, what did his teacher say at the beginning of the lesson? His teacher told him to read out his answers at the beginning of the lesson. Number 7, who stood up and read out his answers? Jamil stood up and read out his answers. Number 8, what did the teacher tell the children to do with their books at the end of the lesson? She told them to put away their books at the end of the lesson. Exercise 2 is oral exercise. Make up sentences about these pictures. Number 1, he is blowing up a balloon. Number 2, he is holding up his hands. Number 3, they are digging up the road. Number 4, he is pinning up a notice. Exercise 3, change the sentences. Use him, her, it or them. Students, you will do this exercise in your copies. A, pick up your ruler, pick it up. B, blow up this balloon, blow it up. C, add up these numbers, add them up. D, the big dog knocked down the little girl, the big dog knocked her down. E, the teacher sent away the children, the teacher sent them away. F, please put away your books, please put them away. G, Mr. High took off his hat, Mr. High took it off. H, the noise woke up Uzma, the noise woke her up. I, the teacher said, please take out your books, please take them out. J, Shan pulled out his handkerchief, Shan pulled it out. K, the teacher read out all the names, the teacher read them out. L, Shan put on a clean shirt, Shan put it on. Exercise 4 is pronunciation exercise. Say these words: hurt, hurt, hut, hurt. Exercise 5 is also about reading. Read aloud and spell. Hurt, burn, purse, nurse, turn, sir, bird, girl, circle, birthday, skirt, work, word, verse, worst, workman, person, servant, term, early, earth, learn. The fire 3. What are those people doing? Asked Uzma. She pointed to some of the windows near the ground. They have taken the sheets off their beds. Jamil said. They have tied them together to make a rope. They are climbing down. Look, they have reached the ground safely. That was dangerous, but they are not in danger now. They are safe. They feel very thankful now. They are safely on the ground. But the other people are not safe yet, said Uzma. Their windows are far from the ground. They can't climb down. No, said Jamil, but the firemen can reach them with their long ladders. Their ladders can reach as far as the roof. They will soon bring everyone safely down. You will see. Look, they have already brought some of the people down. Now they are trying to reach the people on the roof. Soon all the people were on the ground. Some of them were hurt. One man had a cut on his face. It was bleeding. An ambulance took these people to the hospital. Doctors and nurses were waiting for them there. They would soon be well again. Not many people were hurt. Exercise A. Put words in the blank spaces. Some people tied sheets together to make ropes. They took the sheets off their beds. They reached the ground safely. They felt very thankful. Some people could not climb down. Their windows were far from the ground. Exercise B. Which of these sentences are true, which are untrue? Number 1. Some of the people tied sheets together and climbed down them. True. Number 2. Some of the people could not climb down. True. Number 3. The firemen's ladders could not reach the roof of the hotel. Untrue. Number 4. The firemen's ladders were very long. True. Number 5. One man's face was bleeding. True. Number 6. Some of the people went to the hospital in ambulances. True. Number 7. All the people in the hotel were hurt. Untrue. Students, you can do these two exercises A and B in your books. Thank you.